Hello students, welcome you to this session. Last class we have started set language, right? One of the very simple chapter. We studied a lot of theory part. What is set? What is set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. So what is well-defined I explained, hope you know that. Then how to represent a set? There are three methods, right? Descriptive form, set builder form, roster form. Then how to find cardinal number. The number of elements is called cardinal number. Then what are the different types of sets we studied, right? Singleton set, null set. Then subset we studied. Then what is proper subset? What are improper subset? Number of subsets. What's the form of a number of subset? 2 raised to n, right? 2 raised to n. Then improper subset only one. All other subsets, that is 2 raised to n minus 1, are proper subsets. Okay, that number of proper subsets are there. Then we studied power set. What is power set? Set of all subsets is called power set. Then disjoint set. Disjoint means nothing is common, right? A intersection B empty set. So only that definitions you studied. And today we are going to do sums based on that. Okay, so we'll start with the first exercise, exercise 1.1. Look at this for some very simple questions. Which of the following are sets? Now it is just to check whether you know the definition of set, right? It's collection of well-defined. So they give some collection. You have to check whether it is well-defined or not. See, prime numbers up to 100. Will everyone get same answer? If you don't know, you won't get the correct answer. Okay, that is not allowed here. Well-defined, yes, prime number, it is well-defined. Smallest prime number is 2. 2, then 3, 5, 7. 9 is not prime number, it is divisible by 3. 11, 13, it goes on like that, okay? Yes, it is well-defined only, so it is a set. It is well-defined. Therefore, it is a set. Just they asked whether it is a set or not. Collection of rich people in India. Collection of rich people in India. Whom do you say rich? So when you compare two people, you say, okay, he is rich, he is poor. That rich person, you go to some other very big shot. Then he is not rich there, right? So rich, poor, this and all we cannot define, right? Exactly what it is. It varies people to people. So it is not well defined. It is not well defined. Therefore, it is not a set. See the next one. Collection of all rivers in India. Rivers in India. You know what is river? You can find out what are the rivers in India, but it will take time, right? Yeah, but it is well defined. It should be a river, that's all. Okay, so it is well defined, so we say it is a set. Reason, it is well defined. Okay, that also you can write. Collection of good hockey players. Good. How can you define good? For some people, these are good hockey players, and some other people are good, right? Some other players are good. So it is not well defined, so it is not a set. The reason, it is not well defined. So now let us go for the next one. List the set of letters in the following word in roster form. Some word given, India. The letters I, N, D, I, A, you write it in roster form as a set. So I'm taking to say A equal to. So letters you are going to write, separate them using comma. And one thing you have to notice, you have to be very careful. Don't repeat the elements. Don't repeat the element. Order, no problem. You write in alphabetical order or you change the order, doesn't matter. But only thing, don't repeat the elements. So I, N, D, again I already written. Okay. Now A. So this is a set in roster form formed from the word India. So like that you can write parallelogram. Mississippi, you see. First you write what? M, I, S, S again repeats. I already written. Again S, I, everything written. Then P. Then finally one I. That's all. So like that Without repetition, you write all the letters. Okay, so like that you can write any question. Now let's go for the next question. Listen, consider the following set. 3 sets given here, A, B, C. See what are the elements in A, what are the elements 0, 3, 5, 8. So that are the elements in B, 2, 4, 6, 10. In C, 12, 14, 18, 20. Now the question, listen, state whether true or false. Just you are going to say whether it is true or false. See the first statement, what they given, 18 is an element of C. 18 belongs to C. What is C? This is C, right? Check whether 18 is there. Yes, 18 is there. So 18 is an element of C. It is what? True. So it is true. See the next one. 6 does not belong to A. 6 is not in A. See what is A? Which contains 0, 3, 5, 8. 6 is not there. Yes, it is true. Third one, 14 not belong to C. In C, 14 is there. How can you say not belongs to, right? So it is false. Fourth one, 10 belongs to B. B, yes, 10 is there in B. So 10 belongs to B. It is correct only. So it is true. Next one, 5 belongs to B. In B, 5 is there. No. So it is false. 0 belongs to B. In B, 0. In 10, 0 is there, but that you cannot take, right? So 0 belongs to B. No, it is not there. So it is false. So it is for true or false. For the same question, fill in the blank. 3 belongs to which set you have to say? 3 belongs to which set? You check it. A, B, C. Yes, 3 is here. It is in which set? A. So you can say 3 belongs to the set A. The next one, 14 belongs to, where is 14? Yes, it is here. 14 belongs to which set? C. So 14 belongs to C, you can say. So in B, you check whether 18 is there. 18 is not there. So you say 18 does not belong to B. Now see the next last one, 4 in B. Yes, 4 is there in B, right? 4 belongs to B. So it is for element, not an element. See the fourth question, represent the following sets in roster form. Represent the following sets in roster form. Set of all even natural number. Natural number means starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But even natural number means 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. But here less than 20, you cannot take 20. Less than 20, before 20, what is the even number? Which is the prime even number before 20? 18. So write up to 18. So it is only up to 18, so don't put etc. You write everything. 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, right? Write in roster form, right? They asked write in roster. This is roster form. So if they ask cardinal number, you count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 9 elements. So you can say n of A equal to 9, but they didn't ask here, only write in roster form. See the next question. So B equal to, it is given in set builder form, right? Y, set of all y such that y equal to 1 by 2n. N belongs to n. N is a natural number. And n less than or equal to 5. N less than or equal to 5. N is a natural number less than or equal to 5. But we want y value. But let us see what are the n values. N can be 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, and n equal to 5. Because here they said n is a natural number and n less than or equal to 5. So n can take these 5 values. But we want y because b equal to set of all y. But if you want to find y, you must know n because y equal to what? 1 by 2n. Now you n value substitute and you find the corresponding y value. First, when n equal to 1, what is y? 1 by 2 into n. What is n value for the first case? 1. So it is 1 by 2 into 1, it is 2. Now we put n equal to 2. So y equal to 1 by 2 into n. Instead of n, you write 2. 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 4. Now we put n equal to 3. Y equal to 1 by 2 into 3. So that is 1 by 6. Can you say the next one? When n equal to 4. Y equal to, yes, substitute there. 1 by 2 into n. Instead of n, what is the number here? 4, yes. So what's your answer? 1 by 2 fours are 8. Next, when you put n equal to 5, y equal to 1 by 2 into 5, 10, right? So 1 by 10. So these are the numbers you are getting. So B equal to, write them in roster form. What's the first one? 1 by 2. Don't write n values. Y values you are right. Why we are finding n? To find y, you need n value because y equal to 1 by 2n. If you know n, you can substitute, right? 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. Now see the next one. C equal to set of all x such that x is a perfect cube. This perfect square, perfect cube, all you must be thorough. Perfect square. The square numbers, 1, because 1 square is 1. Then 4, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 16, 25. Then 6 square, 36, right? So all these are square numbers. Then cube number, but here we want cube numbers. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube, 27. Here 27 is there, right? 27. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, 64. 5 cube, 125, right? 125. 6 cube, 216. So here up to 216, but 27 is not included. 216 also not included. Because less than, it is not less than or equal to. If it is less than or equal to, you can include that. Okay, so here C equal to perfect cube between 27 and 216. So you cannot take 27 and 216. The other perfect cubes are 64 and 125. So only these two are your answer. See the next question, question number D, fourth one. D equal to set of all x such that x belongs to z. Z means what? Set of integers. Integer means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 also. Okay, that is set of integers. So minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 2. So 0 is here. Right side 1, 2, 3, etc. Left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, right? So minus 5 is not included. 2 is included. 2 is included. So you have to write from minus 4 to 2 because 2 is also included, right? So D equal to, don't take minus 5. Next, after minus 5, it is not minus 6. That is the left side. We want the right side value. After minus 5, it is what? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. 3 is included because less than or equal to sign is there. If equal sign is not there, don't take 2. You stop with what? That 1. Okay. So here they asked only up to roster form. So you stop here. If they ask cardinal number, you have to count also. Look at the next one. Represent the following set in set builder form. Set builder form. Here it is given in descriptive form. See? B equal to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double century in one day international. So we have to write it in set builder form. What's another name of set builder form? Rule form, right? So we write the answer like this. B equal to set of all x such that, write the question as it is. X is a cricket player in India who scored centuries in one day internationals. Okay, set of all x such that x is what? That is just copy from the question. Okay, set builder form. So here this part you have to write it very carefully. Okay, set of all x such that x is what? Now see the next one. C equal to set of all x such that, now x is what you have to say. It is, you cannot write like previous question, right? That is given in descriptive form, we are written. But here it given in roster form. So we want to write in set builder form or rule form. So correct condition you should give. See, 1 by 2, first number is 1 by 2. Some pattern is there, please listen. 1 by 2, second one is 2 by 3, then 3 by 4. Can you guess the next one? Yes. See the numerators, 1, 2, 3, the next must be 4, next must be 5, etc. Right? How can you write the denominator? If 1 comes, numerator 1, denominator is 2. If 2 is there, 3. If 3 is there, 4. Adding 1. Numerator, if you know, for denominator you add 1. If 4 is there, 4 plus 1. If 5 is there, 5 plus 1. If 10 is there, 10 plus 1. Are you able to understand? So, numerator is 1, 2, 3 continuously. So, 10th term is 10. 7th term is 7, right? So, nth term you write n by. If you know the numerator, denominator you add 1. So, n plus 1. And you say where n belongs to capital N. Capital N stands for set of natural numbers. Okay. So, this is the, now we can check it whether it is correct or not. For n you put 1. 1 by 1 plus 1, 2, 1 by 2. If you put 2, numerator is 2, denominator become 2 plus 1, 3, 2 by 3, right? Like that you will get everything. So this is the corresponding set builder form. See the next one. It is given in descriptive form. If it is given in descriptive form, very simple, just to copy that. So what you write here, like first one, D equal to set of all x such that x is a Tamil month in a year. They asked in set builder form, so you escaped. If they ask in roster form, you have to write all the Tamil months. Do you know the Tamil months? Chitrai, Vaihasi, okay? That also you have to study. So, okay, for the test, what if you ask, you have to write that one, okay? See the next one. Fourth one. The set of odd whole numbers less than 9. It is given in descriptive form. They asked write in what? Set builder form, very simple. So E equal to set of all x such that x is an odd whole number less than 9. Okay, so that's all that one. Now let us go for the sixth one. So represent the following sets in descriptive form. Now they asked to write in what? Descriptive form. It is given in roster form, right? So P equal to January, June, July. How can you write in descriptive form? Set of English months, not all the English months. If they say January, February, etc. up to December, okay, set of English months. So set of English months, what's the specialty here? See the first letters. All J, 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 right? So what you can write here? Set of English months starting with J. Set of English months starting with J. Now see the next one. See the numbers. It is given in roster form, right? We have to write in descriptive form. 7, then 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Go through that, all the numbers again. You check what type of numbers they are. 7, 11. Not all odd numbers, right? 7, then they would have written 9 and all. They didn't write 9 here. 15 is not there. That means all these are prime numbers, yes. They are all prime numbers. But not all the prime numbers, right? Starting from 7 only, ending with 27, right? So you can write like this, set of all prime numbers from 7 to 29. So 7 is included, 29 is also included. Or you can say between. Between means don't write 7 and 29. So previous number you say. Between 8 and 30. Set of all prime numbers between 8 and 30. Or you can take the previous prime number. Before 7, what is the previous prime number? 5. After 29, what is the next prime number? 31. So you can say like that also. But it is not compulsory. You should do only like this, nothing like that, okay? But if you see that, your answer should be this one. So set of all prime numbers between means don't take that ends, okay? Between 5 and 31. So meaning don't take 5, don't take 31. In between all the prime numbers you take. I said the different ways. Even you can say 6 between 6 and 30. Or from 7 and 29. From 7 and 29 means 7 and 29 also included. Okay, so you can write in any way. Okay, see the next one. Third question, set of all x such that x belongs to n, x less than 5. X belongs to n. N means what? Natural number less than 5. How can you write in descriptive form? Set of all natural numbers, right? Not all the natural numbers, there is a condition. What's the condition? Less than 5. Natural numbers less than 5. Now let us go for the next question. S equal to set of all x such that x is a consonant in English alphabet. So S equal to set of all English consonants. Or set of all consonant in English alphabet. Okay, so now let's move on to the second exercise. That also very simple thing. Look at this. Find the cardinal number of the following sets. Cardinal number. What is cardinal number? Number of elements. Okay, what is the cardinal number of empty set? 0. Cardinal number of singleton set? 1. So cardinal number means number of elements. For two sets, if the cardinal numbers are equal, what type of sets they are? Equivalent sets. Okay, cardinal number equal means the number of elements are same. Then we say the sets are what? Equivalent sets. Okay, see, find the cardinal number of the following sets. It is given in roster form. Very easily you can find out. So n of m equal to n of m. Can you find out how many elements are there in this set? How many elements? Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, right? So n of m equal to 6. So once it is given in roster form, very simple, just to count and write. See the next question. It is given in set builder form or rule form. So to find the cardinal number, first you convert it into roster form. Let us see. P equal to, listen very carefully, P equal to set of all x such that x equal to 3n plus 2. So I want to find x, but you can't find x directly. If you want to find x, you must know the value of what? N. So what are the possible values for n? You have to see that they didn't say here. The only thing they said n is a whole number. Whole number means natural number starting with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. With that you attach 0 also, that's all. So whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Integer means you take negative numbers also. Okay, here whole number, so the smallest whole number is what? 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So n is a whole number, so you can give any value. Only thing they said whole number, no other restrictions, 0 onwards. But x is less than 15. X means after calculation, 3n plus 2, the final answer, it should not exceed 15. It cannot take even 15, less than 15. Okay, now let us see one by one. The smallest n value, so x is equal to 3n plus 2. Here only we are going to substitute that n value. So the first n value is 0, whole number starting with 0. What is x then? For n you put 0, 3 into 0, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2, it is 2. You can take that because it is less than 15. X must be less than 15, yes. You take the next n value, 1. X equal to 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, it is 5. You can take because less than 15. You take n equal to 2, x equal to 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, it is 8. You can take that also because less than 15. You take n equal to 3, x equal to 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. You can take that. N equal to 4, x equal to 3 into 4, 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2, can you take 14? Yes, you can take less than 15, yes. So you can take all these. Less than 15, up to 14 you got it. So next you cannot take. Why? If you take n equal to 5. If you take n equal to 5, what is x value? 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17 you will get. You cannot take because it is not less than 15. Okay, so these are the values. And in the answer, whether you write n value or x value, see the question, set of all x. Set of all x. So these x values, you write it as your answer. So P equal to the x values. What are the x values? 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay, now you can find the cardinal number. Don't stop here after writing P. After all the hard work, if you leave that, you lose mark, right? Count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements. So cardinal number is 5. Now see the next question. Q equal to set of all y. Q equal to set of all y. So we have to find y value now such that y equal to 4 by 3n. So if you want to find y, you must know the value of what? N. So now let us see what is n. Two conditions. N is a natural number. Previous question they said n is a whole number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. You can take any value. But here there is a condition. Not only n is a natural number, one more condition. N must lie between what? 2 and 5. In which 2 is not included, 5 is included. Okay, so n cannot take any value, right? N takes the first value is what? 2 is not included, so take only 3. N equal to 3, then n equal to 4, n equal to 5. 5 can be included because n less than or equal to 5. Only 3 values for n. So find the corresponding y values. For n you put 3, 4 by 3 into 3, right? So you are getting 4 by 3, 3 is 9. So one first value. You put n equal to 4, so y equal to 4 by 3 into 4. Cancel that 4, your answer is 1 by 3. You put n equal to 5 now, so y equal to 4 by 3 into 5. You can't cancel anything. 4 by 5 3s are 15. So these are the three answers you are getting. You are getting Q equal to 4 by 9, 1 by 3, 4 by 15. So cardinal number, that means you count the number of elements. N of Q is equal to 3. Now let us see the next question. See this one? I think you can try of your own. R equal to set of all x such that x is an integer. Already you know what is integer. 0, positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. Everything together we call it as integers. Okay, x is an integer, and another some more condition, x belongs to z. Okay, and one more, x must lie between what? Minus 5 and plus 5. Minus 5 is included, less than or equal to. You have to be very careful in this. So minus 5 is included, but 5 is not included. Okay, so r equal to minus 5 is included, minus 5. After minus 5, minus 4. Then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So you can count the number of elements now. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 numbers, so the cardinal number is what? 10. Okay, now the next question. The set of all leap years between 1882, 1906. Set of leap years. I don't want to take the sum alone. I want to teach you something more. Have you heard about leap years? Yes. And some of the students will have the birthday February 29th, right? They celebrate only once in how many years? 4 years. So listen. So what is in 1 year means how many days? 365 days, right? So 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year. 365 days. So every month, some months 30 days, some month 31 days, but only 1 month 28 days, right? February. But for leap year, number of days 366. One leap year. So 1 day extra, that 1 day we accommodate with what? February. So for that particular year, February contains 29 days. Okay. Now can you tell me how we are getting that 1 extra day? Yes, some of you studied, right? So you are telling, yes sir, it is not 365. It is what? 365.25, right? So that 0.25 small number we are leaving, but that small number become bigger number after 4 years, right? In 1 year we are leaving 0.25, second year leaving 25, third year leaving 25, fourth year leaving 25. If you add all these things, 100, 1.00, 1 fully day you are getting. So that 1 day, we cannot live like that, right? So that day we take it as, we include with the 365. So that particular year we call it as leap year. So normally leap year occur once in 4 years. So suppose an year is given, how can you check whether it is a leap year or not? We divide by 4. Normally, this is what happening. Most of the things, students, you know this. But I want to teach you something more. Now listen here. Leap year contains how many days? First we said 365. Then you said, no sir, 365.25. But it is not even 365.25. It is actually 365 point. It is not 25. It is 2422, something like that. You may say, sir, it is very closer to 0.25. Yes, very closer. A small error is there. Earlier also small error only. After 4 years that accumulated and became a big error, no? So same way, maybe very small error. But that error occur for years. For example, for 100 years or 400 years, it become a very big error, no? So to minimize that error, what we do, century years, that is the years ending with 2 zeros, 1600. So last 2 zeros, okay, so century years. So for these years, we decide whether you take it as a leap year or not. So what you have to do now, instead of dividing by 4, you divide by 400. You divide by 400. That means you leave the 2 zeros and remaining you divide by 4. If it is divisible by 4, that is actually the whole year is divisible by 400, then only it is a leap year. So for century years alone, only for century years, don't divide by 4 and check. You check whether it is divisible by 400. Definitely it will be divisible by 4 because 2 zeros, ending with 2 zeros, divisible by 4. But for the such years, you have to check whether it is divisible by what? 400. Then only we say it is a leap year. Okay. So the reason is to minimize that error. How the error comes? Hope you understood. 365 point. It is not 25 actually. 2422. Slightly lesser than 0.25. Okay. So that's the reason. So now listen. Suppose I am giving an year 1600. Already you checked that, right? It is a leap year. Why? Because ending with 2 zeros, so you have to check whether it is divisible by what? 400. Divisible by 400. Yes, it is divisible, so it is a leap year. See, 1500. Is it a leap year? It is a century year. So you check whether it is divisible by 400. Or the last 2 zeros, you leave it. Remaining, you check whether it is divisible by 4. 15 is not divisible by 4. So 1500 is not a leap year. It is divisible by 4, but still it is not a leap year. So to be very careful for century years. I think now we can go for the sum. So you know now what is leap year and all, right? Listen. Normally students make mistake in this area, so to be very, very careful. The set of all leap years between, so don't take that end years, okay, in between, 1882. So first let us see 1882 is a leap year or not. It is not a century year, so divide by what? 4. 4 4s are 16, balance 2, 28, 7 4s are 28, next 2 it won't go. So 2 is a remainder, right? So since 2 is a remainder, it is not a leap year. 1882 is not a leap year. Then to make it as a leap year, dividing by 4, right? So make the remainder as 4. So you add to make this 2 4, you have to add another 2 more. So if you add 2 more, 1882 become 1884. So first leap year is 1884. 1882 is not a leap year. Next 83 is not a leap year. The remainder will be 3. 84 it is a leap year. So the next leap year is very easy. Keep on adding what? 4. If you add 4 with this, 1888. Another 4, 1892. Another 4, 1896. Another 4, 1900, right? Is it a leap year? Ending with 2 zeros, right? Century year. So you have to check this 19. Is it divisible by 4? No. So 1900, it is not divisible by 400. It is not a leap year. Okay, 1900 is not a leap year. So then add another 4, 1904. 1904 is a leap year. Then add another 4, 1908. You cannot take that up to 1906 only. So these are the leap years here. So S equal to only these values. So count how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n of s is equal to 5. Okay, so hope you understood all these things. So prepare well. So more sums we have to do. We'll continue in the next class.